Good morning, Michelangelo friends. I hope everyone is having a really great day so far. Yesterday we talked about music. I showed you guys my guitar and how I make it sound as good as it can. And today we're going to talk a little bit about science and different experiments. It's Science Day. So we love doing science experiments and playing in our sensory bin at school. So I know you guys will really enjoy this. And this is something you can do at home. Most of you probably have these items at your house. So if you want, you can do it too and watch something really cool happen. So I'm going to move the camera down a little bit just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I have a tray here because it can get a little bit messy. And I have 3 different cups. And all you need is baking soda. Baking soda is like a white powder. You can kind of see the inside that you use when you're baking. That's why it's called baking soda. Also, vinegar, which a lot of people use now if you dye eggs at this time. Make different colored eggs. Okay, and you also can use food coloring. This is optional. So you don't have to. It will still show the chemical reaction happen. You'll still see something cool, but it just won't be a color. It will be white because the baking soda is white. So the first thing you're going to do is take your baking soda and you're just going to put a little bit in each cup. You don't need a ton of this. You won't be wasting all of it by doing this. Okay, so now that I have my cups with baking soda at the bottom, I'm going to take, I already did this, I'll show you guys the next one. I poured some vinegar in here and I made it blue with my blue food coloring. I just dropped some in and mixed it up. So I'm going to start over here, and we're going to see what happens when I pour it in. I'll turn this light off, you might be able to see a little better. There you go. So when you pour the vinegar in, it fizzes up. It kind of looks like a volcano, right? And this is called a chemical reaction. So what happens is, when you mix baking soda and vinegar together, it creates a gas. That's why you can kind of hear that hissing sound. It's a gas. It creates carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out whenever we breathe. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. We learned about that when we talked about plants. Okay, should we do another color? I think so. I'm going to keep the light off. It's a little dark, but I think you can see the colors better. Let's do red. Okay. Take the cap off. Just gonna grab my measuring cup and pour a little bit of vinegar in. I think that's enough. Okay. Just gonna do a few drops. And take a spoon to mix it up. Now we have red. Let's see what happens. That one's really cool. It's like lava. So the more of each that you add, the more vinegar you add, the more of a crazy, crazy eruption it seems like. And then it evens out. All the gas has been released. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to grab our vinegar again. Pour a little bit in. And this time, we're going to do green. drop, drop. Mix it all up. So now we have green. Let's see, let's pour it all in this time and see what happens. Whoa! Still going. So you can see that when I added all the vinegar at once, it made a much bigger eruption, right? That's because vinegar helps create the gas a lot faster. And that's why it starts bubbling, because it's creating a gas. And you can hear it. So this is really fun and really easy. It doesn't take too much time, and it's a really good way to see how something called a chemical reaction happens, because there's two different things reacting with each other and making chemical. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day. As always, I miss each and every one of you, and I can't wait to see you again soon in our classroom. But until then, I will see you back here again tomorrow. Bye, guys.